while government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies. Digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, highlighted as ETH, with decentralized finance turning into all the rage. Calculations and science-supported digital currencies appear to be administering the blockchain world, a wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin. The Ethereum blockchain is a high-level venture. It is generally famous among digital money aficionados, mostly because of its nodal position in the realm of cryptographic forms of money. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest cryptographic money. The whole peculiarity and the central center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers engineers to figure out and deal with brilliant agreements, consequently executing tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, likewise called quietness. ETH 2.0 is the augmentation of the Ethereum system with added elements to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a progressive and reliable stage-wise divulging with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional improvement and effectiveness, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding procedure to decrease the exchange cost and speed up. Including sharding with the existing blend will expand its asset utilization execution incredibly. Furthermore, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the consolidation are presently at last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is currently more eco-accommodating because of the union. The whole digital money market experiences capricious cost unpredictability, settling on the speculation choice and altcoins really testing. Nonetheless, according to our figures and specialized examination, the crypto world will just see a flood in exchanging exercises and venture altcoins. ETH digital currency confronted huge negative tension in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell underneath $2,500 by January 2022 end. In continuation, due to the crypto market slump of May 2022, the cost of Ethereum fell further. Since arriving at the ETH in November 2021, ETH cryptographic money has checked gigantic unpredictability in its cost activity. In 2023, the symbolic even crossed the $2,000 mark after a significant delay. Over the course of the past week, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,120 and $1,700. Right now, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,813. How high will Ethereum go? One of the fundamental justifications for why Ethereum was going down was the series of forceful financing cost climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers were ceaselessly stressed over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, consequently searching for preferred choices over the crypto market to put away their cash. Be that as it may, when Bitcoin at last crossed the $30K mark, the whole market saw a cost rise. In view of the latest thing, Ethereum will ascend to a worth of $20,643 by 2030. Ethereum cost forecasts propose that the ETH token might go down to $354.60 by long-term end, while computerized coin cost shows that the symbolic will be at a limit of $6,567.52 in 2025 according to their ETH cost forecast. Simultaneously, the ETH value figure of exchanging monsters uncovers the coin will have just reached $3,379.40 by 2025 because of the negative cost history, while long conjecture uncovers that the ETH cost might be $5,416 by 2026 in view of their Ethereum cost figure. Ethereum value forecast 2023 in view of the specialized examination and cost variances. Ethereum digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,755 in 2023. In correlation, the base and greatest costs of ETH are expected to be $1,607 and $3,904 according to our ETH cost forecast. Ethereum forecast 2024 taking a gander at the Ethereum value expectation and specialized investigation, it tends to be guessed that the greatest worth of ETH might be around $5,097. Simultaneously, the previous presentation additionally recommends that the base and normal qualities might be $3,541 and $4,319. Ethereum value forecast 2025 according to our ETH expectation 2025. The base, normal, and greatest exchange values might be around $4,559, $5,561, and $6,564 in the crypto market. As per our Ethereum forecast 2025, we expect numerous organizations and reconciliations soon of the Ethereum organization. Ethereum Value Expectations 2026. Our Ethereum gauge uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $5,915 to $8,515, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2026. Interestingly, the typical cost for the year might be $7,215. ETH Expectation 2027. In light of the Ethereum cost forecast, the coin might have a possible high and likely low of $11,142 and $7,740 separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $9,441. ETH Expectation 2028. As per our Ethereum expectations, for the year 2028, the base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $9,213 and $13,263 separately. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $11,238 in view of our Ethereum crypto cost forecast. Ethereum cost estimate 2029. Constantly 2029, Ethereum's cost will have seen an extraordinary ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In view of our Ethereum coin cost expectation, the coin's cost might reach as high as $16,713 in the year 2029. While it might exchange around a low of $11,610. The typical worth is supposed to be around $14,162. Ethereum Value Expectation 2030. Our ETH Cost forecasts 2030 showed the coin may be dashing to peak. The token might have a base cost of $14,340 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a critical high of $20,643 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. The Ethereum future looks exceptionally encouraging, with a typical worth of $17,492 in the year 2030. In light of our examination, we reason that the Ethereum projected development will without a doubt arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost expectation, on the off chance that you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might acquire great returns. Nonetheless, this doesn't comprise venture counsel in any structure. Do your own examination to lessen the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in 2023? Without a doubt, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits according to our Ethereum cost forecast. Nonetheless, do your own careful examination prior to putting away your cash. Take your exchanging choices and put away cash just in view of your venture targets to diminish every one of the dangers. How high will Ethereum go? According to our Ethereum cost forecast, no other crypto can guarantee a fantasy with this hopefulness. Adding ETH to your crypto wallet can end up being a significant speculation. Gave you plan all your venture choices shrewdly and decisively. According to our Ethereum cost expectation 2030, the coin will have essentially a worth of $14,028. Is Ethereum a wise venture? Indeed, ETH is the future as it is quick to accompany brilliant agreements. For crypto financial backers, the verifiable value pattern can demonstrate